Check out my peanut. I was sent this for my review, and this is probably the smallest clipper I've ever seen. It actually looks like a peanut, which I think is adorable. Now I'm gonna take off this, this protector right here, just like that, and look at this. This is literally only 4 ounces. Now, the only thing, I'm gonna start with the con. The only thing that I wish this was rechargeable, because it is, there is a strong cable. And I say strong cable because they really tout that, because it is important. This thing is super, super fast. So maybe if it was a battery operated device, it wouldn't be as efficient, right? So happy it is then. Okay, yes, very, very much more power than I expected, definitely. Now, this is a small little tool. Obviously, you're not, look, I would, if I was gonna do like an entire body or hair or whatever, like your whole head, I would probably use a bigger unit. But because this is such a little versatile tool, that does come with these ends, by the way, 1 through 4. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. You even have the cleaning tool and the oil to keep that thing oiled up. I think that's a really cool kind of like travel package, right? So we're gonna try, see how close it gets. The other thing that I wanna talk about before we even start shaving or taking care of that hair on my arm, I wanna talk to you about the fact that this has a interchangeable kind of blade here. So if I'm gonna do it for the first time. If I go like this, there you go. I can take that blade out, I can replace it, or I can oil it properly on the inside, so and clean all of this inside as well. I think that's really cool, because then obviously it's, you know, it's making sure that this thing is going to stay cutting properly, shaving your body for a very, very long time. So again, super easy, 1 button, on, woo, that is on. And then let's see, we're gonna go right here and see how that works. Oh yeah, that's just like, oh wow. And the cool thing with this is, look at this, I can go any way I want. I am not cutting myself, it's not hurting whatsoever. I can go this way, I can go that way, I'm not even being careful. And I mean, obviously you can see all the hair that it's been taken care of. But my biggest takeaway here is I wasn't trying to be careful. I wasn't trying to like, ooh, let me not nick myself. This is not gonna happen with this. The reason because it's not happening is because that blade is moving so fast. It's vibrating in my hand how fast it's moving. So of course, I can go as fast as I want, and it's just gonna take care of the hair and not worry about my skin, which I love. So yeah, the Wahl Peanut, if you want something that's small, mighty, and powerful, definitely recommend.